Hello my precious gems, welcome back to my channel. So today we have an interesting video. We are going to shave our eyebrows. So I use these shavers, you guys. You can find them off of Amazon. They have a blade and it comes with a plastic. Honestly, I don't know why it's so costly. Like these things should be like super cheap. Anyway, I'm going to zoom you guys in so that you get a clear look of what I'm doing. So the way that you would shave your face is that you hold this right down. So it has to like go downwards and really just cut all the hair that's on its path, you guys. So it will look like as if nothing's happening, but actually it's cutting off all the small tiny baby hairs on your face. And around my lips though, this is how I like to go. Can you guys see the hair coming off? So that's how perfectly it'll take all the hair from your face, you guys. So I like to go around the lips really slowly and get all the hair off of the way. And this way, you know what, makeup goes on a lot more smoother. So makeup applies really well, it sits really well, and there's nothing disturbing the makeup. So I take this razor all around my face, and this is the safest way to get rid of your hair. Can you guys see all the hair, baby hair and everything coming off? So that's how you get rid of your unwanted hair. I have a lot of hair on my face, you guys, but I know people who have even more hair on their face. So this method works really well actually. So I don't know what you call this on the side. I mean, I'm going to call it the sideburns, but people have different, local languages of calling these sideburns. So some people like to have a long sideburn, some people like it short, some people like it completely gone. I like a little bit of sideburn, but then again, it, you know what, it differs from day to day. And this is exactly where I would draw my contour also when I'm doing my makeup. So I like to cut my sideburns, say to half of its length. So that's what I'm doing here. And these razors work amazingly well as even with thicker hair, say like the sideburn hair is like really thick, right? Even then it works perfectly well and it cuts everything. And you can see all the hair falling off on my chin. And these are all the waist hair, you guys. And I'll just like to take a scissors. It could be any scissors, you guys. Just, it doesn't have to be an eyebrow scissors, but I just like to take a scissors and cut everything in place. So now I'm just taking my razor on the side of my face, and I also like to make my eyebrows a little shorter. So I've been cutting my eyebrows, you guys. And I'm also going to groom my forehead and make sure that the eyebrows stand out. So the way that you would actually make your eyebrows stand out is by getting rid of unwanted hair all around the eyebrow. So underneath the eyebrow, on the side of the eyebrow, on top of the eyebrow, make sure that you get rid of all the hair. In that way your eyebrows will stand out. During this quarantine though is like a good time when I have actually discovered that getting my eyebrows done by myself is actually a really good thing. Even before the quarantine started, I kind of wanted to learn how to do my eyebrows by myself because the eyebrow lady was like tweezing too much of my eyebrow hair and making it super skinny. So I mean, it all happened in good time though. So as you guys can see, I am going to zoom you guys in and show you how I'm doing this. So can you guys see the amount of hair that's like on top of my eyebrow? It's not too thick, it's not too thin. And to get rid of that though, what you would do is like hold it really tight and pull this down. Be very careful not to slash and remove off your eyebrow, but with practice this will definitely be possible. Can you guys see the amount of hair that's coming off? So you just hold it tight and pull the razor down. And once that's done though, you could take a tweezer. For those of you who don't know how to do threading at home by yourself, this is really amazing, this technique. So you could just like take a tweezer, brush your hair, and then just start using the tweezer around your eyebrow. So just get all the baby hair that's like underneath your eyebrow. And I know it's painful, it sounds painful, but you guys, as you keep doing this though, you sort of develop a tolerance towards this pain. So just hold your eyebrow up and just pull out all the baby hair from underneath. And it is a painful process, but the results are really, really good, you guys. So do that. And if you feel like you're not satisfied, you could go again with your razor and take off any excess hair that's like underneath your eyebrows. So really just have like a mark. Your eyebrow should start from your nose and end where your eye ends. So as you can see, I have one eyebrow groomed and one eyebrow is not yet groomed. So we are going to go ahead and groom that eyebrow also. So I'm going to just pick up a scissors and comb all my eyebrow hair after I've done grooming and just cut off any excess hair. By this way, you could make sure that your eyebrows are like bushy, like, as thick as you want it to be, and also just trim off any, excess long hair. So that's exactly what I'm doing. I'm just combing it and taking off any excess. So this is not as perfect as I would get it done in a parlor, but give me a few days, you guys, I'm gonna get it super, super good. But this is good when you're in quarantine, right? So we are done, and I like to use castor oil with a spoolie brush like this. Just dip the brush in the oil and apply it on your eyebrows. You guys, castor oil makes your hair grow super fast, you guys. So using castor oil is a very nice way to get long eyelashes, thicker eyebrows, and even thicker hair on your head. But be very careful, because castor oil has a tendency to cool your body rapidly, so you might end up with fever or something if you use it in the night time or anything like that. I like to use it on my eyelashes also, especially when I go to sleep. But just to show you guys, I'm just showing that you could use it on your eyelashes as well. So now I'm just taking my moisturizer. This is the Beauté Morning Nectar moisturizer, and I just apply it all over my face. I do this after I've done, like removing my hair, and your skin will feel like a baby's bum. It will be so soft and so smooth and so supple. Way anybody else has that one bald spot on their head, I do. No matter how thick my hair is, I have that one bald spot. So I'm going to show you guys where I keep my kit. I keep my razors over here. It's all well arranged in this beautiful, beautiful purse, you guys. I have my tweezer, I have my scissors, I have my nail filer. This is where I keep it. I keep it really, really safe in this, in this purse. But if you don't want to buy this purse individually, if you don't want to buy each things, that is this whole kit on Amazon that you could buy for like $3.99. So do check that out. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, it's bye from me. See you guys really, really soon. Ta-ta.